Have you seen all these posts on LinkedIn about how the job market is for cybersecurity? Are you wondering whether you made the right choice starting your cybersecurity journey and making that career shift? I have talked to a lot of people about that, and in this video I'm going to share my own take about the job market right now and what are the things that you can actually do to get ahead and land a lucrative cybersecurity role. Now, I'm not sure if you guys remember, but during COVID era there was a lot of overhiring. Companies had free money, interest rate was low, government was just printing money to everyone, giving away free money, and big companies like tech giants took that opportunity to invest those cash that they were getting into the company, overhiring, growing their company and things like that. Now the situation is different. The market is correcting itself. Tech giants are actually looking more realistically at their staffing needs, and they're actually cutting jobs. The economy, unfortunately, is in a tough spot right now. Not just in the US, but actually here in Australia where I live. Interest rate is high, inflation is high, unemployment is rising, and things like that. So as a result of this, businesses are trying to save money and they're actually cutting jobs because they don't have the leeway to spend and overhire anymore. It's not like the COVID era. As a result of these factors, you're going to see fewer job openings and even job losses for cybersecurity professionals with years of experience. Now imagine this, these cybersecurity professionals who have lost their job are actually in the market and looking for their next role. So if you're an entry-level person, you're actually competing with these people. There is this shift that is happening right now. We have a lot of supply of cybersecurity professionals, but limited job openings. So when that happens, definitely you're going to feel it. The market is going to be more competitive and you're not going to get that role that you dream. Obviously, if you apply for a role and there's you and there's another candidate with years of experience, having all the knowledge with the tools and systems, guess who's going to get the job? Obviously, it's that experienced person. That is why if you're an entry-level person, having just basic certifications like CompTIA, Security Plus, or Google certification is not going to cut it. The market is different now and it's brutal. Companies only want people with the right skills who can get the job done from day one. The demand for cybersecurity professional is there. Like, we need more people in this field, but we need more qualified people. We need experienced people. We need highly skilled people. We don't need people with just basic stuff, basic certs looking to get their job in cybersecurity. You actually need to learn the skills and tools that companies are using these days. You need to get yourself experience, whether through doing project, labs, or doing even internship or doing free work for your communities, schools and stuff like that. Because if you don't make yourself unique and different, you'll end up with the same other people who have these certifications and you're not going to get ahead. A lot of people I know that they just apply for jobs and wait to hear back from these companies. It's not like that. You have to do networking, you have to go talk to people on LinkedIn, you have to post content on LinkedIn, share your own journey, so you can build that brand. You know, when someone sees your name, they know, okay, I know this guy. He has been or she has been posting content on LinkedIn and they know their stuff. Because honestly, if you do that, I can guarantee you, you don't have to worry about being laid off anymore. That happened to me. I never had to worry about being laid off anymore because I made myself unique and valuable in the market. So if you're trying to get into the cybersecurity industry, don't give up. Give it all, because one thing is certain. If you quit, you'll lose. But if you try, you'll never know what will happen, right? So work hard and become the cyber hero you were meant to be. If you like this content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.